And I'm not talking about booking piso fare or looking for the cheapest hotel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys some budget and budget tracking tips for your next travels. For those who are new here, hey, it's Ian C. na share travel tips para masulit mo yung bakasyon mo kasi deserve mo yan. First is about committing to a credit card. Yes, medyo kakaiba, pero sometimes the more you spend, the more you save. So, in the past years, medyo nakailang flights na rin tayo, nakalibre tayo ng flight tickets because I was committed to one credit card. And with that, nag-accumulate ako ng maraming points and I ended up accumulating enough points na makakonvert sa miles na eventually nagagamit ko to fly for free. Second tip is about booking hotels. So, common question na nakikita ko, kailan daw ba yung right time to book a hotel? My personal opinion is to book it as soon as possible. Kunyari, nag-book kami in January pero yung flight namin is sa July pa. Ang ginagawa namin, January pa lang, nagbo-book na kami ng hotel for July pero we always choose something with free cancellation. This enables you to still have weeks or even months to look for more hotels na mas pasok sa budget or mas pasok doon sa preferences nyo. And that leads me to tip number 3. What you can do in your trips is to actually spread the expenses. So again, if we booked say in January pero June pa yung flight, ang ginagawa namin, nakaspread yung expense in such a way na January, we pay for flights. February, we book for a free cancellation hotel. February, we booked for activities, etc. etc. So that way, naka-pacing din yung mga bayarin. Pre-booking could also save you some money, which leads me to tip number 4. For example, if you use Klook to book your activities, you can use promo codes to get discounts of up to 5% off. Or if you want more discounts, you can head over to your Klook app and search nyo yung username ko na HeyENC. Mapapadpad kayo dun sa Creator Shop. So Creator Shop is basically a collection of all my recommendations that includes hotels, activities, day tours, and more. So just scroll down to the voucher section and you can claim discount vouchers bigger than 5%. And the last tip, which I think is very important, is to plan your budget. It's easy to say pero honestly guys, hindi yan madali. That's why I want to share with you guys a tool that I made this week. This is a free travel budget planner template that I made that you can download for free. And then, meron din siyang budget summary section na makikita nyo agad ano yung total per budget expense category, flight, accommodation, food, shopping, etc. Hope this helps. More travel soon!